Welcome back. Let's bring you some good news to cheer, because it is the festive day of Vijayadashmi and the country, and in fact globally, Dussehra is being celebrated. The visuals on your screen right now of Delhi Chief Minister there at the Love Kush Ramleela grounds, and you see the Ravana effigy currently being burnt. And what you also see, of course, is there are crowds and visitors and all of this. Remember COVID pandemic, such unprecedented times for the Dussehra event to be organized. That was Delhi. This is now Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh, where just the last stages of the Ramleela is presently on. And after this, as you can see, that fight between the war, so to say, between Lord Ram and King Ravana is currently on. And just a short while in Ayodhya as well, the effigy of King Ravana also will be burnt. There from other states coming in, visuals constantly now. This is from Ludhiana in Punjab. In many places, remember, the height of the effigies have also been reduced. The crowds have been curtailed given the COVID pandemic. This is the visual coming in from Ludhiana in Punjab. But that's just one location. Remember, apart from the burning of the effigies, there are different forms in which Dussehra is celebrated. This is now from Mysuru in Karnataka. This is a different form where they pull the cart there. This is also the royal family there in Mysuru that is involved in this procession, again on Dussehra. So different forms, it's complete celebration taking place in India at this moment, the evening of festivities of Dussehra of Vijayadashmi celebrations presently on. That is Delhi Chief Minister being felicitated just about a short while ago, these visuals that are coming in. And after that, of course, we saw the visuals of effigies that were on. So, of course, best wishes on this Dussehra to all our viewers of India Today. Stay tuned, have a great evening and the weekend as well.